Oi.
It's time to do a video, boys.
We found a spot that goes far back. Worker. That goes far back. Might have to do it. Yeah. Yep. That's the third time. Then just say we're thinking of getting it for our kid. It actually opens up so much. Oh my god. Yes, bro, it is so spacious.
Oh my god, what am I on?
Holy fuck. There's people there.
Yeah, Mum, do you want this one?
Are they still there? Wait, just get in now, get in. They're looking for us. Yeah, probably. Riley Deagle's a Corrigan kid.
We don't have any right now. Go on.
Oh well. Wait, we wait like 5 minutes and then we do it again.
There's a whole thing.
Oh, family. Holy shit.
There's like a whole thing.
This kid.
No.
Bro, I'm actually hidden.
I don't know how to get in.
Here?
No, there's people everywhere.
Wait, but just start taking these so I can go over there and start fixing that up. Alright, I'm gonna go do that now. I'm in the corner, boys. Oh, it's out there. He's saying there's like employees nearby. I'm all cozy in this corner. The spot is actually so good. Oh my god, an employee just walked by. Bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think they're cool. I just farted. Hey bro, we gotta do it eventually.
Hold up. Go.
Yeah? When?
Don't do like a long one. Do a short one.
Ready?
Yeah. Don't. It's a granny. It's an old lady. Don't.
Is she gone? Give it.
Mummy. Mummy. No, wait, don't do it.
I'm actually crying, bro. This is the funniest shit ever, bro. Oh my god.
Wait, there's a...
You're lying. We just stayed here.
Let's go.
I want Milky. No, no, no.
Mummy. No, don't. Wait, when are we gonna make a break for it? No.
It's not working. Are you serious?
Wait, do we save the juice for button?
One final.
Oh, that stinks. We gotta go.
Yeah, because there's none left in it. Probably gonna get
Get going.
Wait, I'm gonna make a breakthrough.
I'm in the corner. It's that. Wait, just wait 5 minutes.
No, I'm gonna go through.
Just wait 5 minutes, bro. Because then they'll be looking who done it, and then when they stop, then they won't be looking.
No, I don't think them police care.
I wouldn't risk it.
No, I'll risk it.
Keys.
Wait, I'll risk it to see if there's anyone nearby. I'll just see one.
No, that's not employee. That's a customer. I think. Like, be careful because the employee thing is right there. I can't really see that it's there. This is fucking out, by the way. It's out. By the way, I'm throwing that ball when we're out. Oh, bloody hell. Boy. No. We got to make a break for it. Get out of here. Oh, I got a cramp. Take the air horn. Ow, fuck. Wait, we just goosed down. Okay, I'm not trolleys and shit. Where are your trolleys? Oh, shit. Bro, he's back.
Yeah, I'm not sure about you, but I really don't like being smacked.
Can you get me out?
That one will be best, I think. Ron, this one will be the. This one will be the best one, I think.
What the hell, we're out. It's so bright.
Hey guys, sorry I forgot to record the outro, but if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and tell me in the comments what you guys want to see next. Until next time, laters.
Subscribe and like to R_Jonesy8.
Yes.